Welcome to Coding with Ankit, your ultimate destination to learn SQL, Python, and data analytics. Let's build your skills step by step and become job ready together.
Welcome to the SQL Complete Course. In this video, you will learn the 5 major categories of SQL statements that every beginner and data analyst should know.
The create new database objects. We can create a new database or create tables inside an existing database. It is usually the first command we use while designing a database. The alter command is used to modify the structure of an existing table. For example, you can add new columns without having to recreate the entire table. You can also remove existing columns or change the data type and size of existing columns without creating a new table. The drop command permanently deletes database objects. When a table is dropped, both its structure and all stored data are removed permanently, so use it carefully. The truncate command clears all records. It keeps the table structure intact. Unlike drop, it remains ready for data. It is used to modify existing records. To update a specific record safely, always use the where clause. Without it, every row in the table may be updated. The insert command is used to add new records into a database table. Every time new information is added, the insert command stores it inside the table. The insert command is used to add new records into a database table. Every time new information is added, the insert command stores it inside the table.
The delete command removes records from a table. Use a where clause to delete specific rows. Running it without where removes every record, though the table structure remains.
Select command is the most frequently used SQL-based tables. Select star displays every column, while selecting specific column names returns only the information you need. The where clause is used to filter records based on a specific condition. Instead of displaying every row, SQL returns only the records that match your condition.
The order by clause is used to sort data. By default, SQL sorts records in ascending order using ASC. To display records from highest to lowest, use the desk keyword.
The distinct keyword is used to remove duplicate values. SQL returns only unique values, helping you see unique categories like cities.
The limit clause is used to control how many rows every record. You can choose to display only the first, making it ideal for previewing large datasets.
Using patterns. The percentage symbol represents number of characters, while the underscore represents exactly one character. It's perfect for finding names or texts or text values.
Multiple values in a single condition. Instead of writing several OR conditions, you can simply list all the required values. This makes SQL queries shorter and easier to understand. Multiple values in a single condition. Instead of writing several OR conditions, you can simply list all the required values. This makes SQL queries shorter and easier to understand. The between operator filters values within a specific range, including both the start and end values. It provides a cleaner and more readable way to handle range-based conditions. The AVG function calculates the average value. It divides the sum by the number of records. The AVG function calculates the average value. It divides the sum by the number of records. The sum function calculates the total of numeric values in a column. You can also combine it with the where clause to calculate totals for specific records only, making it essential for reports and business.
The min function returns the smallest value from a numeric column. It scans all matching records to find the lowest entry. You can also use it with a where clause to find the minimum for specific groups.
The max function returns the largest value from a numeric column. It scans matching records to find the highest entry. You can also use it with a where clause.
The group by clause groups rows that have the same values. It is used with aggregate functions to calculate results for each group separately.
The having clause filters groups after aggregate calculations are complete, unlike where, which filters rows before grouping. It is essential for group-based filtering. An inner join combines data from two tables, returning only the records that match in both. It is the most common SQL join used to relate data. Next, we will explore the left join.
A left join returns all records from the left table, even if there are no matches in the right table. Unmatched rows will display as null. A right join returns every record from the right table. If no match is found in the left table, SQL displays null values. This ensures you see all records from your right-side dataset
and returns every record from both tables. Matching records are combined, while unmatched records from either side are included with null value. It provides a complete view of all data in both tables. A self-join joins a table with itself. It's perfect for showing relationships within one table, like employees and their managers, using table aliases. A self-join joins a table with itself. It's perfect for showing relationships within one table, like employees and their managers, using table aliases. The cross-join combines every row from the first table with every row from the second, creating what's called a Cartesian product. It doesn't require a matching condition, resulting in every possible combination. The union operator combines results from multiple select into one result set, while removing duplicates. It requires the same number of columns and compatible data types.
The union all operator combines results from multiple select queries without removing duplicate records. Since it doesn't filter duplicates, it's typically faster than a standard union.